Peloponnesian War Comprehension Check. Read the questions below, select the correct answer, click Submit when you are done. First, you're going to type your first name in the box here. You're then going to type your last name in the box here. You will then select your cycle number. Number 1. How long did the Peloponnesian War last? 10 years, 20 years, or 27 years? Number 2. What was the name of the defensive league formed to protect the Greek city-states? Peloponnesian League, the Delian League, the Pericles League. Number 3. When did the Peloponnesian War start? 404 BC, 420 BC, 431 BC. Number 4. Who was involved in the Peloponnesian War? Sparta versus Athens, Greece versus Persia, or neither? And number 5. What empire did Sparta make a deal with? Babylonian Empire, Persian Empire, or the Mauryan Empire?